So, pasok na tayo sa day 3. Ito na po ang day 3 ng game. So, day 3, what's happening? Feathers. Feathers everywhere. So then this freak jerk gets up in Gerard's face and spilled a drink, which like kind of crazy from the jump, right? But it wasn't even a good brew. It was, pardon my language, garbage. Hey, are you even listening? But sorry, I had a long night. Oh yeah? Is that why you have a feather in your hair? Oh no. I heard it all. A late night encounter, hushed whispers. A young, impressionable shaper being gently persuaded. All innocence lost. Are you finished? Yeah. Hala, pati sa game may limaw. May limaw sa game. And yet, ang lalalim ng English nyo. I can't. Sorry, I didn't set out to listen to my stream because we're feeling okay. Hello, Rio One. Welcome to the stream. But once I heard a few keywords, my usual perfect moral standards went right out the window. Not like a certain client did last time. You said you were done. Oops. Welcome ka rin. Are you at home? Ay, nasa office ka pala, no? Rio One. Another day, another chance to shape. There's something special about the workshop in the morning. The loom stands tall, sea light spills over cushions and curtains. Ay, wala nang work from me. Shucks. Pero baka ma-consider nila yung work from me. Baka ma-consider nila yung work from me given yung ano natin, gasoline, diesel, oil, pineso. Busy kami, baka OT pa rin. Oh no. Parang ilang araw ka na ata balita ko na ganyan. Kaya pala kapag ano sa streams, medyo pagod ka na rin. Off. Ag! Oh, ito na naman siya. May tao na naman. Welcome. I didn't hear you. Come in. No. Meant not to startle. Who are you, sir? Greenbelt. Apology. Sincere. Are you here for said shape? Why else come to the shaper's abode? Tell Han as much, but more polite. Yes, would be grateful. All right then, I'm Mamma Mia. Again with a name so decadent, egomaniacal, ano daw? Charmed. Have been called Greenbell before. I endure it. Nice to meet you. I think I saw you before. In the window? In the window to the wall. Yes, its transparency afforded a fine view. Your dream seed is well arranged. Organic disarray, artful comfort. Tara, kailangan mag-OT kasi may severance pay kaming ilalabas. Pera din yun. Ay, sa bagay. Severance pay ng mga dating employees? Got it. The feel of your workshop said much about potential partnership. Mukha naman siya mabait. I see. Window discourse has alarmed harm. Perhaps Shaper also fears caretakers. What is a caretaker? The caretakers, an ideological sect in service to Lamund. Their caretakers want the world to sleep eternal. They tend to forego everyday pleasures and customs and eventually their bodies. Kasama ako sa makakakuha. Kaya naman pala. Ayaw kasi dati kang employee na inabsorb nila. Dapat lang makakuha ka. Not uncommon, many see us as death cult. Ay, tangina. Ang tanong, kahit alam mo kung magkano, masaya ka ba sa makukuha mo? Shall I be turned away? Sorry, I just didn't hear the chime. I saw no chime before the window. It's above the... Wait, you came in through the window? Yes. You can use the door. I'll hear you come in. Another social error, compounded with expectations of noise making. Happy? Yun, happy. A punishment equal to my crimes. Gladly, unused to mock customs. Make self-known is new. Yung pinakamaganda dyan, nalaman mo at nagkaroon ka na ng expectation kung magkano makukuha mo. Divine. Ay, wait. Sa dating yung company, di ba ka-work mo si ano? Sino ba pangalan ni sir? Ni kuya? Ni Raiko Zen? Ka-work, parang ba kayo na-absorb? Or nasa ibang company siya? Self is new. Oh, you just washed up too? No. To serve Lamud is to not be a letting go, at the brink of unform. The ether. The ether is a world itself, spaced in its entirety, also known as Lamun, the outer dark, or the outer sea. Ah, okay. Got it. Greenbell steps closer. Intent. We were once a snow melting to fade before Lamun's waking. Oh, halos lahat kami absorb. Siya pa rin manager ko. Ah, nice. At least kahit papaano wala nang ano, hindi na kayo masyadong nag-a-adjust. Yun yung masaya, yung walang na ano, no? Walang naalis sa team. The waning body of the dreamer, poked by the vivid strivers like so many swords. But our craft was silence, radiated emptiness from the absence, heal wounds, spread the mission. To encourage the vivid to rest, to give up assent, this was the holy kindness. Ah, I preach too much, I overmuch. Paper cannot understand from without. Kaya ay marami bang adjustment? Wah, kahit kayo-kayo pa rin na magkakasama sa task? Sa task ba yan? To your question, no, not young. You know I can hear you, right? I'm not sure how to put this. Do you know I can hear you? Yes, painfully aware of being heard. Speech is grotesque, but one must press on. Oh, how else to communicate with Muck at length? Your lives are so complex, so objectful. Our lives, I mean, never mind, just making sure I will not mind them. Yet, mindless, I still have need for sensate. Sure, that was a joke. I am not mindless. Oh, yeah? Ha! Nawiwirdoan ako sa conversations, but I do understand the intent. Pero yung dialogues lang, medyo nahihirapan lang ako. Streamer issue to, I admit. I admit, streamer issue to. Bakit hindi ko naiintindihan gaano yung mga sinasabi nila. It's just di lang di lang naman sa task, pati sa structure and process. Ah, kasi nga panibagong ano na nga, panibagong company na nga siya. No need for niceties on my behalf. It helps with shaping. Think of it as a calibration. I understand. I have heard suffering is involved in the production of art. It seems to be no exception. I cannot bear much language. I have only just traded caretaking for a living. Anyway, back to work, Mimun. Okay, okay. Work well. Naku, mukhang overtime ka nga. Enduring two questions is possible. That's fine. I can work with two questions. I'll pour us some tea. Okay, meron na tayong bagong customer. Will take tea to hold smell. Not yet eating, drinking. Okay. Mag-interview na naman tayo, guys. Perhaps less harrowing than expected. All right, Greenbell. First question. Why caretaking? Why did you become a caretaker? Why might not why might one reel when struck? Can't unlift a veil, can't affix again the once shorn bloom of ignorance, suffering like the ground underfoot or wind above. Pervasive and unrelenting awareness, once apparent there is not a choosing. Caring alchemized to duty. But you left the caretakers? Diagnosis never in question. But prognosis has branched several, ano to, chismis? Schisms? 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 I am one such branch. An is unsure of my meaning. Will try again later. This question has been answered. So it has. Thank you, Greenbell. I will. Now answer the second question. Favorite places? Do you have any favorite spots in Grimhold yet? Absolutely. In the canal, old stonework crowned by fungus. The beetles sing clockwise, and the dark comes on. Behind Spinner's Tavern, a ripe alley, with thick vines and furry nonsuch that scurry in the rain gutters. They form a unit, cheering, omnivorous, and fragrant. But ought one describe their most favorite place? No, it is accepted to guard preferences. Secretive like, what fun. Pa yan. These are some of my favorite places. I see. Thanks, Greenbell. Let's both question. We can shape now. Not so bad. You query, finally. Ayan na, maglalaro na naman tayo, guys. I'll need a memory. What I am making for you? What am I making for you? A dwelling for small avians. Birdhouse? Precisely. All right, let me sit at the wheel, then you can give me your send. All right. Remember, I am not wholly embodied as yet. This memory may feel strange. Hopefully not unpleasant. All right, green bell, sending. Okay, so here we go. New note, vanish. When a vanish node appear, you will need to disappear. At a vanish node, let go of space until the track resumes. Okay. Let's start. So I will let go of the space. Unbecoming. Okay, let's start. Oops. Parang lo-fi talaga yung sounds eh. Ay, sorry. Ay, shucks, mali yung timing. Mali. Wag. Shit. Ano na? Yay! Hoy! Naka-S! Halat! Woohoo! Naka-S tayo! Fine work! Okay. Hala, naka-S tayo. Yay! Green Bell's memory fades. You've gathered a new application for the empty intervals. Wow! Naka-S tayo! Nice! Medyo nagigets ko na ng konti. Parang, yun nga kasi sa rhythm gaming, nakakalito lang kasi. Ano yung forward, sidewards, tsaka yung left and right, tsaka ano, diagonal. So, dagdagan pa, meron pa tayong ano, yung void. Dazzling. This is my bird home. My thanks. Of course, Green Bell. Whoa. Hey, Mama Mia. Did you see where I put... Wow! I mean, hi. Hello. I didn't hear you come in, is all. No, I meant not to startle. Greenbell, this is Mar, live-in sequencer of House Mamma Mia Mar. Mar, this is Greenbell, my latest client. Oh yay, always good to see a new face in the workshop. Must everyone elaborate on powers of perception? Would it not be just as nice to unsee this space? Greenbell and I just finished shaping session. We made a birdhouse. No, a bird palace. Behold! Wow, I love it. Mamma Mia is the best. Thank you. The best? Such fortune. Have found the ultimate scent shaper. Total tangent, but Danny's keeping bar at Hobby Lantern tonight, and I'm gonna keep Han company. Both of you could come. In fact, you should come. No, even if I should, I cannot. I am out of words. Yeah? Kamusta naman ang respect of boundaries? Lagi sila nagugulat. Sorry, sorry Yellow ah. May chismis kasi pumasok sa isip ko nung sinabi mong respect of boundaries. The chime didn't ring. Well, you meet all kinds of muck in Glimhold. Han seems nice. Greenbell was one out the window. The morning I opened the shop. Oh, well, now I really wish Han could have come. I'm intrigued. Hey, wanna see how I'm slotting the gear you made? It's perfect. You spend an idle afternoon with Mar, listening to the sequences and trading gossip. Then, with the sea sets easing in, the two of you depart for the hobby lantern. Kamusta naman ang respect of boundaries? Lagi sila nanggugulat. Sino ba? Yung customer? Sorry guys ha, all over my Twitter kasi or X, puro si Chapel Row nang nakikita ko. Speaking of boundaries, Diyos ko. Wala lang, sharing lang. Yung customers kasi natin, itong yung latest customer, hindi siya dumaan sa pinto. Dumaan siya sa bintana. So, yan. Lahat na lang nagugulat. Nagugulat silang lahat. So, parang nagigets ko naman na yung game. Nagigets ko na yung game. So, meron tayong kini-create for the customers. Meron silang mga kailangan. Ganon. Tapos, para magawa natin na maganda at masatisfy sila, kailangan fine work ang gawin natin sa mga kini-create nating items for them. So, I get it na. Ang nagkakaroon lang ako ng problem is understanding the dialogues. It's because maybe sa akin, I don't really understand metaphors or parang mga deep English or fictional words combined in a sentence. Kaya nahihirapan akong maintindihan. Yung kanina nga, tulog yung character eh. Oo nga eh. Nakakaloka. Pero yun nga, yun lang. Parang nahihirapan lang akong maintindihan yung dialogue. But the gameplay is nice naman. The night air feels cool on your face and a little damp. The dark is sweet with the scent of honeysuckle. It's a nice walk. You're lost in thought until Mars stops short, grabbing your arm with urgency. Oh, Mamma Mia! Andres just went around that corner, but Han looked around first. 24-hour support siya, haha, bumbero lang. Kaya nga. Umatok naman kasi kayo guys, no? Making sure Han wasn't being followed. Which means we should follow Han. Why? Why would we do that? Are you serious? Why would we want to know what your assassin-looking, knife-ordering client does at night? Assassin-looking, knife-ordering client. We shouldn't. It's not a good idea, Mar. Please. That's my client. I can't stalk my client. Your shady, mysterious client. Betting Han is actually the professional move. If you think about it. Fine. Okay, let's do it. But act natural. How do you act natural? As you do so, you find yourself stepping into the alley's shadow, trailing behind Andres. The Delver set a rapid pace, gliding with ease through increasingly narrow passages through winding doors and cracking strewn gutters. Han is quick, almost too quick, confusing the route as the route is. You find yourself understanding Andres' choices. Even when you lose sight, the way seems clear. Carefully, you creep into Delver's wake. You can't imagine where you're headed, but one thing is certain: you're going down. You're going down. The sound of the overcity fade away. The light grows dimmer, strangely hued. Each step you take sends echoes racing down countless subterranean alleyways. Despite your best efforts, we've lost Andres. Hala, naligaw kami! Ito kasi si Mar eh. What is this route? It's almost as if Andres knows we're following, is playing games with us, Mar. Han probably knows it's us. No. Think with me. The route is bonkers. But if Andres does have a secret destination, wouldn't Han just take a crazy route just in case? If Andres doesn't know we're here and is being cautious, we might be close to seeing something informative or incriminating. Let's go back to the lantern. No, I don't think so. Let's pretend this never happened and head back to the hobby lantern. I said, think with me. Mar, imagine the hobby lantern. The rustic warmth, the twinning aromas of beer, Ay, the twining pala. The twining aromas of beer and wood. Twining? Oh, and a beautiful barkeep who was looking forward to seeing our beautiful faces. Well, my beautiful face. Yours is beautiful too. Danny just doesn't. Danny, bleh. Danny just wasn't expecting it and therefore couldn't look forward to seeing it. If we leave now, you have to make every effort to figure out Andres' deal. We'll see. Actually, ayoko siyang sundan. I can't make any promises. It was worth a try. Oh, kamukha niya talaga si Coco Shibo. Ano ba, Mar? Masyado kang chismosa, Mars. Dapat Mars pala pangalan nito eh. You wish it so sharply that you could almost hear Danny's sonorous voice behind the bar. Hans' laughter, punctuated by flagons banging the countertop. But the doleful sound of dripping water and kick rumble bring you back to the reel. With nothing else to do for it, you begin the long walk back. Finally, you've arrived. The hobby lantern. Wow, ganda! You're searching for a place to sit with a familiar voice calls from the bar. Oh, ito na naman. Oh, ito silang dalawa. Nari did I think twice. About lying or about kicking Exiel out? How did neither? Forsooth, Exiel's wondrously commonly and has bodyguards. Kind of thought you'd mention the bodyguards first. Yet mine heart belongs to the lantern and its kindly patrons like yourself. I'll do whatever it takes to rid the lantern of unkindly patrons, no matter how fair. A wee misdirection now and again keeps a soul brightly. Ito yung sinasabi ko, nahihirapan talaga ako intindihin yung mga words. Oh my God. You guys know, mahina talaga ako sa words. Look like we just got some more kindly patrons. Mar, my darling. Oh, two darlings. You brought Mamma Mia. You're late, but oddly timely for daggards. Andres reckoned you'd be delayed, which required no clairvoyance when Mar is involved. But I figured you'd be but one drink late, whereas Andres bet 3 drinks late. Art thou a soothsayer in secret, Andres? As all these are lots of things secretly, you know how it is, don't you, Danny? Haha, drunk as I may be, mine secret shan't be plied so easily. Well, Mar, Mamma Mia, why wert thou 3 drinks late? Let Mar answer. Siya naman may pakana. I just, lost track of time. Well, there was more to it than that. And now we're here. Yippee! 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 Well, Danny, I'm off. It's been lovely, but I've got some unfinished business. Oh ho ho, alchemy stuff? Farewell and good fortune. Knowest thou that Andres does alchemy? Full of surprises, that one. Ask about Andres. Did Andres say what Han was doing tonight before the hobby lantern? In a manner of speaking, Andres professed to scouting for potion regions, when sudden like Han desired mightily a drink poured by mine own hands. Bit of a flirt, that one. What's your full read on Andres? Oh, this trifle again? What's again? Again? Mar thinks colors are clairvoyant. That we might one be, ano ba to? That we might one and all can anyone, anytime, with acuity. Is it true? Aye, most times. So, read Andres. Diba, read Andres, sabi. Yeah, read Andres for us. Very well. Andres is an especial one. There's the surface, a tad fightly, tad wicked, enormously jaded. Andres seems candid and unrestrained. Yet this very measured, a hard life at such scale. One occurs so much one can't not meaningfully share. Andres reveals just enough. Careful balanking act, which suggests great effort. Seeds, though, thou, I suspect that beneath it all, Andres is a true romantic, enchanted by the world and by people. Despite all they both put Han through. A romantic? Ooh, Andres is a romantic? It's my belief. I could be errant, but I return to this fancy now and again. All Andres desires is to be kissed on the brow and borne over the threshold. As always, though, I must proclaim naught but speculation. The three of you spend the remainder of the night swapping gossip, sipping drinks, and watching the lantern motley clientele. Light of the heart and heavy of foot, you and Mar bid Danny farewell, and make your way back to the workshop arm in arm. Hey, we're back. Did you buy what Danny said about Andres? Secretly sweet, a romantic? I think so. Danny's view made sense. Andres seems rough but sincere. Maybe Han trying to start over in Gleamhole? Do you think Andres know that we were, following Han? Yes, me too. I'm sure we'll all laugh about it later. Or something. For now, bed. Good night, Mama Mia. I had a great time. Undercity detour and all. Good night, Mar. Okay. Nagmukha kaming mga stalkers, no? You barely recall crawling into bed. Yan na. You are beyond tired. You ease into sleep, ah, bits of sound from the lantern bobbing into flotsam in the surf of dream. You dream of finding a seam in the sky, orderly dimples belying invisible thread. You pull at the thread, and the light pours out.